Do you have a passion for making YouTube videos, but are shy in front of the camera? Does hearing the sound of your voice make you cringe? With AI, YouTube has become an equal opportunity place, and faceless videos are the new trend. But not everyone is able to earn those dollars because they're missing out on a few things. And this video is all about those crucial things you need to make $30K per month. So why wait? Let's get to it. Chapter 1. Pick your niche. The first step of your journey to make faceless YouTube videos is to pick a niche and stick with it. Now, there are a lot of things you can do and talk about in your videos. However, it's important to choose something that has two of the following things. First, you have to be passionate about what you do, or else, after a few videos, you'll get bored. Making $30K per month is all about consistency, so you have to make sure that you're putting out videos daily. We know that sounds hectic, but since the inception of AI, that's a minute task top. Now, the second most essential thing about picking a niche is that it should be popular but also understated. What do we mean by that? For instance, facts and trivia is a popular niche, however. There are only a few channels that do them well. This is also a niche that goes well with faceless YouTube videos. So, for you to make it out in the monetized world of YouTube and earn cash fast, you have to be creative and intelligent while picking out a niche. Follow your passion and you'll do great. If you want some more ideas to get your creative juices flowing, don't hesitate to use ChatGPT. Enter the prompt, "Give me 50 faceless YouTube video ideas," and get inspired. Chapter 2. Generating a script. Using vidIO's AI YouTube script generator. Now, the cornerstone of your faceless YouTube video is your video script. It's perfectly alright if you're not that great at writing one because vidIO has you covered. Plus, when you have to roll out videos every day, you don't have time to write a script for each. But it's important to make sure that your script is either entertaining, informational, or educational. You can pick one style or vary between any of the three. So how can you use vid.io? It's simple and requires only 4 steps. First, you need to navigate the vidIO website to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's user-friendly and intuitive, so you won't have much problem. Once you're on the website, look for the YouTube script generator tool. After you've accessed it, select it to proceed. For the next step, you need to type on YouTube's script generator page to access different script types. All you need to do now is choose one that fits with your niche and content. This step is important because it'll help you generate scripts that align with your video. When you're done choosing the style and tone, click on Generate Script to get your material. You can save and export this script, or you can generate another one until you find one that's perfect. The cool thing about vidIO is that you can also make your script humorous by using the humorous feature on the website. You can choose where you find it's appropriate. Of course, to add a more personalized touch, you can edit it manually, but 99% of your work is done by vid.io. You can now simplify the script and remove redundancy by perusing through it on your own. Chapter 3. Choosing a suitable voice. Okay, this step is the make or break step of your video. If you're eyeing $30K per month, this is the part to pay attention to carefully. Since this is a faceless video, your AI voiceover of the avatar has to fit like a glove. It has to be in sync with the tone and vibe of your video. These voiceovers build the image of your videos and increase viewer retention. A monotonous voice won't do the trick. You need to add some personality to your voiceover, but there are a few AI tools that'll allow you to do that, and we have some recommendations. First up, we've got Synthesia.io AI text-to-video generator. With this tool, you've plenty of options to choose from for your voiceover. By plenty, we mean 400 different voices, both male and female, in tons of different languages. You can even clone your voice with this tool. You can't go wrong with Synthesia. Second, we have Murf.io, which is purely an AI text-to-voice generator. Here you have an option to upload your own reading of the script and change the voice and tone of the recording. Frankly, that's more time-consuming, and you can do that for specific videos. However, a faster and more efficient way is to upload your text and pick a voice. When your voiceover is ready, you can make changes to its pitch and tone according to your needs and preferences. If you're feeling like a DJ, this tool is yours to play with. Just make sure that the voiceover goes well with your script and avatar. Now, how do you generate faceless videos using avatars? Chapter 4. Choosing an avatar and visuals. This is the last step towards your journey to earning $30K per month. You've your script, your voiceover, and your niche all sorted out. The next step is to choose a suitable avatar and generate a video. With the advancement of AI, you have never-ending tools to do this step. Yep, the AI software will pick out visuals for you using stock images and churn out your video in seconds. In fact, now you have software that allows you to remove watermarks from your videos as well, such as Moon Valley AI. In this section, there are two best AI tools. First, let's talk about the free one. InVideo is a free AI text-to-video generator. All you have to do is enter a text prompt, and it'll produce a video for you with stunning visuals and quality. You can create different scenes, adjust the style, change the tone and color, and even add subtitles. It takes no longer than a minute to generate a video from InVideo. The best part about this tool is that it doesn't have a learning curve, which means that you can generate videos on the get-go without having to instruct the AI to generate it again. Plus, it has a library of more than 15 million stock images and videos, so you don't have to worry about the visuals at all. If you don't want to use a separate AI software for your voiceover, InVideo AI gives you an option to create synced audio with subtitles as well. Now, if you're more into avatar games, there's a perfect AI tool for it. For starters, you can Synthesia.io to choose a suitable avatar for your faceless video that has a good amount of avatars for you to choose from. You can upload your script and adjust the voiceover using the same tool. One of the pros of using Synthesia.io is that it takes up almost next to zero amount of time to generate a video. But if you're feeling adventurous and you're ready to invest some money into your videos, you can always go to Pictory AI. It is a paid tool with different types of plans to suit your needs. In this tool, you can not only upload your voiceover and generate a faceless video, but you can also edit your videos using text. The cherry on top is that with Pictory, you can customize colors and add logos to your video to go with your brand and the whole vibe of your channel. Even more, you can add standard intros and outros so you don't have to repeat them every time you generate a video. And if you want to add some music to your video, Pictory offers thousands of soundtracks to choose from. It's basically a one-stop shop for all your video needs. Chapter 5. The Final Showdown. Now that you have everything lined up, the final step is to start rolling out videos. You can make a spreadsheet and line up your videos according to days. You have to make sure that you're putting out both long-form videos and YouTube Shorts, so you can earn cash from both as they monetize. The more videos on your channel, the more your revenue. Be consistent. Learn with the flow by monitoring views, and keep on generating faceless YouTube videos in under 5 minutes. Once you've mastered your niche, you'll find that creating faceless videos is easier than you thought before. Are you ready to get those $30K in a month? Let us know what tools you'll be using in the comments below. And don't forget to stay tuned by subscribing to our channel for more efficient ways to make some money using AI.